Hi, I'm currently in Kaputian Beach and I'm currently with one of the best and one of a kind.
One of the kind.
One of
Boyfriend.
I can say anything, okay? Or the boyfriend, okay? And his name is
Alam naman kayo, boy?
Ano?
his name is
Prince Alfred Salino Comandante.
yeah.
This is my
Hello,
full
guys.
name.
He's not only good looking but it's also totally different
Because,
and one of a kind.
yes,
And at the same time, I don't know if this will be a forever, but
but I know
I know
you.
I know you.
But I know you.
This is the two.
Ito, idiot.
Hello, guys!
Ito, manapak. Bay, mahulog ng cellphone, bay. Mahal tayo na, bay. 12,000 na, bay.
Oh, di ba?
Bayad di kag 11,000 na kayo.
Huawei si mo.
Ay, bay.
Oy, sino naman?
Isa, makakuha na. Tuyok na.
Oy, si.
Ay! Oh,
Ito.
last ko. So, diya. Last ko, so, diya.
Yan o.
Uy, imo na mo po na. Imo na po na.
Uy, hindi, oy, tapos na siya. Ah,
Imo na ako.
Uy, ako, beto.
Uy,
Nagkuha
last
sa
na
bula.
niya. Last na niya.
Last
Yan,
na.
Ako
Kulang
lang
man na.
ikaw.
Naglibot na lagi, mi.
Wala, oy.
Bugop, anak. Maglibot
Oh,
na.
bahala, guys.
Ano, paulit-ulit na naman?
Milk tea nga yellow.
Milk tea kasi di kami masama kaming tao. Milk tea lang kami, guys.
Subscribe,
I'm sorry, guys, because
YouTube
my
channel.
head is very charged.
You're getting into my nerves.
Very
Ang
charged.
Power bank ko
First
na
time
puno na
ni
buhangin.
Kaputian and
Okay.
I love Samal.
Aha. They love Samal.
I love Samal.
Because they look like Samal.
They
It's a
look
beautiful.
like a beautiful sea.
They look like Samal.
They look like a beautiful sea. Beautiful
bird
sea.
in the sea. Because sunlight.
Beautiful sea is sea.
MCCC Mall, Davao City. Nanapod mo, sugod napod mo, sugod napod mo. Sugod napod mo.
Smile, smile. Oh.
Ah, diba? This is one of a kind. You have something to say to your fellow viewers?
Ang mulike na yung kay 5 draft.
What?
Wa sa bula oy.
Ay, tutsaw din.